Well, the day has finally come. We can now have multiple timers on iPhone. It only took, 17 years? Anyway, forget all of that. Here's how they work. I'm going to jump into the clock app, and at the bottom I'll go into timers just like I would do normally. Now this whole screen's been changed in iOS 17, and you can access recently used timers, so if you regularly have the same timer, you can quickly get it from here. But that's not why you're watching this video. If we go back to the top, we're going to start a new timer, and we're going to give it a name as well. This is also new in iOS 17. So perhaps I'm in the kitchen, doing some cooking, I'm going to put the burgers in, and they're going to be done in about 25 minutes time. So I'll give this timer a name and then start it off as per usual. And in the past, this is all you could do. You could set a timer and leave it running. But actually, I need to put the chips in 5 minutes time. I don't want to forget that. So I'm just going to press the plus button in the top corner, start a new timer for 5 minutes, call this one, put the chips in, and then press go. And just like you expect, I've now got a second timer on the go. Let's quickly add one last timer to get the salad and burger buns ready to go, and we'll start that one off in about 20 minutes time. Now these timers are all running simultaneously. Of course we can see our timers on the main timer homepage in clock, but if I leave the app completely, the dynamic island keeps you up to date as well. It will show the timer that's ending first up here, and if I long press on it, I'll get some more information. And we can also access multiple timers on our lock screen too. If I pull down from the top to go back to my lock screen, here you can see I've got a stack of timers, and tapping on it once lets me view all of them that are currently active. And from here I can pause and I can cancel timers as well. This is not a life-changing update, but it sure is nice to have, and it's another thing in iOS 17 that's improved to make your phone better than ever. If you want to see what else is new, check out this playlist on the end screen now, and if you like this video and you want more iPhone tips in your feed, please do subscribe to my channel down below.